The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Yorkville to 6 miles southeast of Newark and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Oswego, Plainfield, Joliet, Romeoville, Bolingbrook, Lockport, Ingalls Park, Shorewood, Rockdale, Boulder Hill, Crystal Lawns, Crest Hill, Preston Heights, and Fairmont. Other locations affected: Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, University of St. Francis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Chicago.